Hello everybody, today we make ciabatta bread. For the ingredient we got 3½ cup of flour, 1 tablespoon yeast, 1 tablespoon salt, and 1 cup 2/3 warm water. Boy, you know, questo è English, io voglio dire italiano. Okay, now we start everything with ciabatta. First thing we start with the yeast. And I put it right over here in this bowl over here. And we use this same water I gotta use for everything the mix. And I put a little water with the yeast. And we leave this on the side. Now we got the flour. The flour I put right over here. And I got the salt. And I put salt in the flour. And we give a little mix with a fork, the salt. Okay, you know when the yeast go together with the salt, that's why we mix first the salt and flour. And you mix really, really good like this. Now it's time for the yeast. And we mix the yeast over here with the water. Like this. Okay, now this is the yeast with the water. And we put it right over here on the flour. You see, got a little bit more, it's okay. Okay, you see, we got the water that we gotta use, and we mix really good. Okay, and we start to mix now a little bit with the fork. But after I gotta use my hands to mix really, really good. Now, the water, we put a little bit on a time, because maybe you don't need to all the water to make sure, okay, no come too soft. And now, but so you need a little bit more water, it's no problem. You can pick it up more water. You see now, it's a little too dry. Cause this is the ciabatta, you know, gotta be the same like when you make a pizza or you make a bread. It gotta be more soft. Now we put the rest of the water left over. Okay, now we put a little flour over here on the table, okay, and we take this and we put everything on the board over here. We clean up really good the ciabatta, and now I clean my fork over here, and now it's time to mix this. But a little bit on a time, maybe I need a little bit more flour for my hands, we can use a little bit. But now, like I say, this, you know, gotta be really, really dry. Now the dough over here, the ciabatta dough, it gotta be a little soft, like this. You see this? That's the way it gotta be. And we mix that. Okay, now the dough is done. And what I gotta do, I gotta put in this bowl over here, and we put a little drop of oil on a barrel, okay, no stick. Okay, now this is done, and look, this is not gotta be hard, it gotta be soft. We cover, and this you gotta stay for 1 hour. And now I got already, this one, it's done, and do the same like I do. Over here, and put some towel or something on the top, okay, you gotta keep warm. Now, this is the one I was making before. And see what it look like, okay? Now we use semolina flour and a barrel over here. And we use semolina flour and this paper over here. Okay, now I gotta use this. We put right over here. Now what I do, I pick it up and I move a little bit like that. Now we cut this like this and a half. Okay, and we start with this one first. We put a little semolina and I push the ciabatta dough over here and the semolina. We take this and now we put it right over here. You work a little bit like that. And I got the oven on already, 450 degrees. Now, this it gotta be like this. It's too sticky for your hands. It's okay, okay? It gotta be like that. Now, the only thing you use the semolina flour on a barrel, but you gotta use regular flour on the top, and you do like this. Can make the crust on the top beautiful. Do not use no semolina on the top, only flour. It's a bread flour. Okay, now you gotta go in the oven. And look how beautiful look, this is ciabatta. All right. All right. And we wait now, and it be ready. Okay, now it's 25 minutes, and I want to check so it's ready to go. But I want to take out, and I put it right over here on the top of the stove. Close the oven, I don't want to burn myself. Now we check on the barrel, the crust. See how beautiful? It's ready. And the crust, it's really nice. It's ready to go. 25 minutes, done. Okay, now take a little flour out like this. Listen, nice. This slide. Look how beautiful, look at this. Really, really nice. The ciabatta. When I was in Italy, we was cook this, the ciabatta, after we take it out for the oven. Like this you bring a different place where we cook the bread, everything. We split in half, and we put inside the mortadella, prosciutto, and mozzarella. Oh, so delicious. But now I got a beautiful oil over here. You dip the oil and it's so good. Delicious. Really good. Look at that. Nice. Make one ciabatta and you let me know they come out really, really good. Thank you, and we see next time.